Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've been redecorating my house. This video is about some great redecorating ideas, especially if you have compact space, like I do in this guest bedroom. I researched the internet and I found this really great company with online stores called Costway. I asked them to sponsor this video and they said yes, because I just love their furniture, like this vanity. This is my girly girl room for guests. I have it all decked out with a pink bedspread and all kinds of feminine pretty things. And the thing about this room is there is no bathroom attached to it. And when girls get ready, they need a place with a mirror to get ready at. And when I saw this Costway vanity, I said, that's it. This is going to make the room. It's so special, it's so small, and it has so much function. It's got all these drawers in it and this mirror that lights up. With a really easy switch, you can turn it off and on. The width doesn't take up a whole lot of floor space, which I love because it's a very small room and you got to get around. It comes with a wonderful settee that's part of the set. It has a lovely cushion top, and so when you sit, you're cozy and comfortable. There's enough room so you can swing your legs in and put them underneath the vanity while you get ready. Every girl needs her own little space to fuss with her makeup. There's a lot of room on top of this to put things like lipstick, and here I am putting my lipstick on. Or you can put the lipstick in a drawer, and there you have me doing that too. So it doesn't have to be on the top of the vanity. The large oval mirror tilts, so you can get just the look and perspective you want. To check out your face, your outfit, you can move it around by tilting it to the angle you want. The light switch is so easy. I love the lights. I always use them. I like the look of it with the lights on. And the drawers are deep and long, so you can even put hair appliances in them, which I love because the cords are always looking so messy if I were to leave it on top of the vanity. There's 5 drawers, 2 really spacious drawers on each side, one in the center that's a little narrower for other things you might have. And then there's 2 on the top. And this one will come all the way out so I can take it out and look at what I need to find just that color of lipstick I might be looking for. It slides right back in. So there's plenty of room for storage for all your makeup to make it look neat in your room. So there's plenty of drawer space so you don't have to clutter up your room with all your makeup. I love it. This is wonderful. They also make them in white. This one I use mainly as a computer table. I didn't put the mirror up because you don't have to. You can easily take the back of it off so it's just a straight table. I put it down in another room I have because it needed something a little brighter. That room just felt kind of dark to me. I also put this chair I got from Costway right next to it, this beautiful blue linen chair. Costway has everything for households. They have a ton of furniture on their site. Let me scroll down and show you all the different things you can see just in their home furniture section. Their website is enormous and everything is super high quality. These pieces of furniture arrived to my door. Those are the boxes they came in. The shipping is speedy and fast. And then I wanted to show you how they were packaged so you can see what you would get. They do a really great job of packaging so it doesn't get damaged during shipping. Now that black vanity, it came unassembled in very large pieces, so it wasn't hard to assemble. Those are all the pieces it came with. I laid them out so you could see, and then I started assembling the vanity. It came with everything it needed, and I want to show you how easy it was for me to put this together. That little stool, that was so simple. I just put the legs on it. The top frame of the 2 drawers and the vanity mirror went on really easily. That came as one piece. So I assembled that too. The lights are just battery operated, which made it really easy. They last a long time. I like that it's battery operated. That way, when you put your vanity anywhere in your room, you don't have to have it close to an outlet. That's really handy. You don't need a cord going just for the vanity lights. The batteries last a long time. That's a really practical design that Costway has engineered into this vanity. The overall dimensions is 29.5 inches wide and 16 inches deep, and it's 57.5 inches height. So it fits well in any room. You don't have to have a large room to have this vanity. The mirror height alone is a good 21 inches. That little tiny stool has a weight capacity of 220 pounds. The material it's made of is MDF and pine wood. MDF is a wonderful mar-proof finish on it, so it'll take a beating. And the pine wood is a natural wood to make it strong and sturdy. It has anti-slip foot pads on the bottom, so it's not going to slide around your floors. The soft cushion feels great to sit on. The mirror is designed with 10 bright bulbs. And that means you get to do makeup in a darker environment. These vanities are simple and elegant and stylish. The way I've set this one up with my computer and writing, just think your kids could do homework at this desk in their room without taking up much space, or playing their computer games, whatever they like to do in their own room. And let me tell you about that beautiful blue chair. It's Costway's modern upholstered comfy accent chair. It too is great for smaller living spaces. And so comfortable. The weight of the chair is 37 pounds and the dimensions are 29.5 inches by 29.5 inches by 32.5 inches height. It comes in a number of colors. This is the blue one, but I also got a gray one. It too arrived in an easy to unpack box. It was packaged really well, so it wouldn't get damaged in shipping. I took it out, and this is as simple as it was to put together. Check that out. Came with the back, the bottom, and the sides, and this is how I assembled it. You flip over the bottom and you put the legs on. They just screw right in. That took me like 5 minutes to put those on. And the rest of it took me about 3 minutes. So that chair was put together in under 10 minutes with really great clear instructions. I like the blue one down in the room next to the vanity, but I also love the gray color as well. That's what that looks like. Aren't they beautiful? They are so high quality. Costway has the best website with best prices. I'm thrilled with everything I've got from Costway from their website. Everything is high quality. Check out this thick cushion. It's filled with soft and highly elastic sponge type material. And the rubber wood legs are solid. They have non-slip foot pads on them, and that protects from scratches on your floor. Now the material is a breathable linen. Look at the texture and look at the seams with the ultimate in quality. The backrest and the wide armrests are really nice for relaxation. It's an ergonomic backrest. It fits my body really well. There's tufting. It's done very elegantly, and that adds some charm and some style to it and elegance. Now this blue one I use for a bedroom. It's wonderful in a bedroom because it doesn't take up too much room, but also you could use it in a living room, an office, a studio, reception room. And that chair is a strong chair. It'll hold up to 265 pounds, which is terrific. It's not going to break. Click the link below to get your Costway vanity and those chairs. It's right there in the description box. I absolutely love my new Costway furniture. I hope you do too. Make a comment. What kinds of rooms are you thinking of redecorating? Let's do it together. Let's share some ideas. I'm so happy you watched this video. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Today's recipe was a recipe to make a small room look great with a lot of function. I hope you have those kind of opportunities at your house too to live a comfortable life. See you next time. I think I need to put on some more lipstick. I tend to eat it off. If you like this video, here's some more over here I think you're going to like too about all kinds of things to do with your home. Right over there.